Hello. The next one is the lower frame value. You can select this here, or this is for the graph, or you can also select this here for the lower frame value, and you can also add own types and own captions in this selection list. You can do this with the gear icon. Go to All Settings, alle Einstellungen in German, and select the first one here. In this selection here, you can select all our selection lists in the application and add own values for this. And with this, you can also select your own selection lists like aluminum profiles or wood aluminum and the window frames and so on. When you select this selection box, all selections lists in the system will remove the Aufmaß App default settings and display only your own values that are integrated here in the list.